Welcome back to my channel with another vocabulary video. So today we will learn about cooking verbs. Let's start learning cooking verbs. Toast, toast. Let's toast bread in a toaster. Pour, pour. Girls is pouring water into the glass. Pinch, pinch. He put a pinch of salt on his food. Sip, sip. A woman is sipping the tea. Sift, sift. Always sift flour finely before adding to the mixture. Spread, spread. She likes to spread jam on her toast. Squeeze, squeeze. She is squeezing lemon into the glass of water. Break, break. She is breaking an egg into the bowl. Mix, mix. Mix the flour with eggs. Knead, knead. She is kneading the dough for bread. Fry, fry. She is frying an egg for breakfast. Melt, melt. The ice cream is melting. Drain, drain. He is draining the pasta. Peel, peel. Please peel these vegetables. Rolling out, rolling out. She is rolling out the dough for pizza. Mash, mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop, chop. She is chopping a carrot. Slice, slice. Kid is eating slice of pizza. Grate, grate. I grate carrots for sweet dish. Saute, saute. Saute the onion for 2 minutes. Boil, boil. The water is boiling. Grill, grill. They are eating grilled chicken. Steam, steam. Kettle is steaming on the stove. Roast, roast. I roast chicken for dinner. Blend, blend. Blend all the fruits together. Bake, bake. We baking cake in the oven. Add. I like to add milk in coffee. Measure. You can measure a milk with measuring jug. Thanks for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more educational videos.